Dimensions of the oven. The exterior is 16.5 wide per 14.5 deep per 13 of height, and the interior is 12 per 12 per 6. Is the interior wall coated? What about the racks and baskets? The interior wall is of galvanized steel, and the racks and baskets are PTFE coated and are all made with safe materials. Temperature increments. They go by 5 degrees. You can raise it or lower it by 5 degrees each. Ideal timer and temperature selection. For baking and broiling, it ranges from 150 Fahrenheit to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. For roasting, it goes from 150 to 450. For dehydrating, it goes from 100 to 200. And for air frying, it goes from 200 to 400. Can I adjust the time or the temperature while cooking? Yes, you can. You just have to press the time temperature button, and you can adjust the time, or you can adjust the temperature. What is the lowest temperature setting? For dehydrating, slow cooking, and for warming, it is 100. And for the rest, it is 150.